King mga labasang bulan penamdaman king mabilog a bangsa, ing epekto na ng climate change. Anak katas ing temperatura amiras pang 50 degrees Celsius ing heat index king Clark. Agpangking Department of Environment and Natural Resources o DNR Region 3, wake up kolya ini ka ring sabla, balang kimut king pa magbayo.
To make a difference in our lives, okay? To have an environment for life.
May kakasani man kanong mialiw ang takbang i-ahensya laban king climate change. Kaya ba nakarene ing National Greening Program. Nung nuka rin, miras ng 87 million seedlings ding mitanam king 137 hektaryang gabon king Central Luzon. Kapamilatan na nini, may kapag-generate lamo na mamigit kapit ng milyong obra. Samantala, agpangking Executive Director na ng DENR Region 3 ay Engineer Ralph Pablo, behavioral change ing metong solusyon king climate change.
Actually, we've been telling the public that the solution to climate change is behavioral change. Okay, behavioral change. Meaning, if before you are not practicing segregation of your own generated waste. Okay, it's time for you to segregate now, and that is behavioral change. If before you haven't planted any tree of yours, okay, and if you plant now, that is behavioral change.
At ang tanong available as seedlings karang balang City o Municipal Environment and Natural Resources Office, akarelang didistribute karang bisang tanam at magparagol karang puon. Samantala at tanda ng miras king 10,000 na sako ng basura ang may kolekta king Apulong Aldoa pa maglinis na rin tupad beneficiaries at Estero Rangers king pamanimuna na ng DNR, Department of Labor and Employment, Philippine Coast Guard, ampong opisyal ng 4th District ng Pampanga. Mega na pinika ng coastal areas ng San Luis, Candaba, Apalit, Santo Tomas, San Simon, Macabebe, Masantol, ampong Minalin, at partinya inining malawakang coastal cleanup king Manila Bay. Agpangkang Pablo, kailangan kanong amin tining kalinisang resulta na ng programa.
Prevention is better than cure, as they say. So having said that, dapat malinis na ang Manila Bay natin. Let's continue yung sustainability ng kalinisan nito. And continuous din yung ating education, communication campaign from the REITs, okay? Kasi yung mga basura natin nanggagaling din sa taas yan na nagko-contribute dito sa mga basura dito sa Pampanga, okay? So kailangan whole approach yan. Hindi maglilinis ng Pampanga pero yung mga ibang karatig bayan o karatig probinsya ay nagtatapon dahil dugsong-dugsong naman ang ating river, ang mga watersheds natin.
Ako, Inke Karin Talasuyo, Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.